All right, Veronica. So this video is just going to be in response to your question that you asked. So this is what I do in the morning, and this has been consistent for a very long time. Um, when I was dealing with eczema and even after, right? So you said you like making protein shakes in the morning and you do it every morning. And you said you use peanut butter. You said you use walnuts. You use a milk, a regular milk, a protein powder, and you said something else that you put in there. So, in my opinion, if you're trying to get rid of eczema, that protein shake is, I mean, all those ingredients is just basically slowing you down. Because no telling what's in the protein powder, not to mention all that heavy fat. Even though you might feel that it's healthy, a lot of that heavy fat, and you said you're dealing with very itchy skin, so that's an issue. So this is what I do. So I start off in the morning just water, and then maybe about 30, 45 minutes out, I'll have like a juice like this. So this is 32 ounces of just cucumber and lemon and mint. Um, so very light. And then after this, I'll probably do like a big bowl of watermelon. Um, so this is what I do, and this is, in my opinion, a better way to go as far as if you're trying to get rid of eczema, and especially if you're dealing with itchy skin. Because if you having a lot of high fat foods, it's going to be very hard to get rid of that itchy skin, because the liver is just basically telling you need to cleanse more. And not only the liver, you need to work on your whole body. So that's my opinion. So you can take that for what it is, and good luck.